Meaning of humectant.
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 Humectant. Humectants are substances that help to retain moisture in a given environment. They achieve this by absorbing water from the air or from other sources, and then retaining it through a process known as hygroscopy. Humectants are widely used in many industries, including cosmetics, food, and pharmaceuticals, where they play crucial roles in preserving, softening, and enhancing products' quality. They can be natural or synthetic, and examples include glycerin, urea, and sorbitol. The use of humectants is essential in combating dryness, improving skin texture, and reducing evaporation in products that require long-term storage.